Hi friends, welcome to our channel Satvik Tech. Today I will briefly explain about how to turn on portable hotspot on an Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Android mobile. There are situations in which we do not have a Wi-Fi connection, either because we are away from home or outside work, or because there is a network problem, or we are in a second residence and we need to connect from a computer or laptop, a tablet or a television to watch our favorite series or movies using the internet connection of our Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. Fortunately, if you have a SIM card with data rate on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, you can share Wi-Fi and surf the internet from another device by following this video. First, all of check that you have 3G or 4G or 5G mobile connectivity activated on Xiaomi Redmi Note 5. To do this with Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 unlocked, you can slide your finger from the top of the screen down shortcuts to the device. You can slide this like will be displayed. The antenna symbol must be blue. If not, press to activate. On your Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, go to the device settings. Go to device settings. It is gear wheel icon that you will find on the home screen or in the phone menu. You can access the menu by dragging your finger from the button to the top of the screen. Click on portable hotspot. Activate the portable Wi-Fi hotspot your Xiaomi and then click on portable hotspot. To set up portable hotspot, you will be able to indicate a name for the network. I am naming that Satvik Tech. And I am recommending the type of security. We recommend VPA to PSK. VPA to PSK. And write the password that you want put to this Wi-Fi network. You can invent any password, but we recommend that it be a password safe to prevent unauthorized third parties from using this network and consuming your data or putting you in danger. Putting the password as Satvik Tech 123456 and I am saving the password. Click on save and you can search and configure this portable Wi-Fi network to share the internet connection from your Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 on another device. Click on this toggle key to switch to active the portable hotspot. Okay friends, thank you.